Good evening, and I'm once again back with one more episode of Gup Shup or Good Seek. And one more guest, one more person whom I want you to meet, who has inspired me in my journey of life. Now, the guest for today is somebody who talks numbers. No, he's not a numerologist, but he's a finance expert. Why I get inspired from him? Because he's a very people's person. He knows how to support people. He knows where he needs to help people, where he needs to handhold people, and above all, वो सबको साथ में लेके चलता है. अगर कुछ छोटी भी चीज होगी, अचीवमेंट होगी या कुछ करने वाला होता है, वो सबको साथ में लेके चलता है. Isn't that big thing? Very few people have this quality, my dear friends, and he is one of them. He is none other than Mr. Kamal Jeswani. May I welcome Mr. Kamal Jeswani? Hi, Kamal.
Hi, thank you so much for that.
And how are you?
Fantastic.
Lovely.
Enjoying this period.
So, friends, let me introduce Kamal to all of you. But before that, there's a quote which I believe, which Kamal believes in, and all the finance experts believe in. Know what you own and know why you own it. And this is something which I've learned from Kamal. Kamal Jeswani is an international speaker and also India's first internationally certified financial success coach with a CFP and MBA in finance. He helps working professionals build secured wealth with his PMG 5.0 model. वो क्या है वो आप उनको पूछ लीजिएगा. Without sacrificing a good lifestyle. Most importantly, he is a good friend, मेरा दोस्त है, and someone I go to when I need to clear the confusions in my head. And believe me, that 10 minutes ka phone call works wonders. So once again, Kamal, welcome to Gup Shup or Good Seek.
Thank you so much. And I really love the name that, Gup Shup, and it makes the person feel at ease. Yeah, this is not a formal interview.
No, it is not. It is not, because I want, everybody knows you like, as a finance expert. But I want to let know people that why do you inspire me and a lot of other people. And I want people to know the other side of Kamal. Hence, Gup Shup or Good Seek. So as a matter of ritual which we have at Gup Shup or Good Seek, Kamal, there's a small rapid fire round which we initiate every time before we come to some serious conversations. डरना नहीं, serious नहीं, मतलब कुछ detail बातें. So this rapid fire is all about knowing what inspires you as a person. So my first question to you is, Kamal, 5 things people don't know about you.
I took a lot of time to complete my graduation. Most of the people don't know that because they just look at how much educated I am right now. But they don't look at, sometimes you do, get stuck at a particular point. So that's one thing. Second is I also worked in movies and ads, and I have played a good part, kind of a stuntman part in Nayak movie.
Oh, wow.
Where I was standing on the top of a car, a moving car. But it was a long shot, so I'm not visible.
Oh.
So that is another thing which people don't know. Third is a lot of people still do not know that I also, apart from finance, I'm also into spirituality. So I have this group called The Magic Within You on Facebook, which I started just recently when when people said, that whatever thoughts you are sharing on WhatsApp status, I never write a blog. I don't like to write too much. So I just go on WhatsApp and I just put something as my WhatsApp status, and people started liking. And they said, why don't you create a group where you can share whatever you like, whatever you write about WhatsApp? and that's how this is the magic. So this is something which most of the people do not know. Two more things. I am a very loyal person, even when it comes to brand, or even when it comes to a local shop. So I approached basically cobbler, when I was in school. So for stitching of my shoes and chappals and all. And now till date, whenever I have to go for that, I go to that particular. It's a small shop. Now it has been so many years, but I always believe that if you find someone whom you can trust, you can be with that person for lifelong.
Absolutely. I
That
agree.
is fourth point. Fifth point, yeah, maybe now people don't know. Earlier, people always used to tell me, "You eat non-veg," and I used to say, "So why shouldn't I?" Okay, I do eat non-veg, and today it's the opposite of it. People say you have stopped non-veg. I said yes, I have stopped non-veg. So I have stopped non-veg for I think more than a year now, without anything. It's just I just felt like leaving it. So that's something people maybe not knowing about it.
And friends, his statements, the things which he puts up for Magical Group are actually magical. Believe me, because I have been following his work as well, and trust me, it's real magical. And he himself is so magical. Didn't you find his smile magical? What he speaks, he behaves, everything is magical. Okay, Kamal, tell me 4 things which are most dear to you.
Most dear to me, one is I cannot stay away from supporting people. Although there are a lot of challenges which come in front of me, but then somewhere I just get carried away. Another thing dear to me is my family. So in fact, I have been told to go abroad and make a lot of money over there, and I'm like, no, I want to be here with my family. So my family is dear to me. Third, dear to me is this. I have this habit of chanting God's name throughout the day. I mean something. People say that ये तो बुढ़ापे में होता है, and I'm like I'm like
you mean to say mantra jap kind of?
Sometimes thank you God, or God bless all, or God bless everyone, something like that. I keep chanting throughout the day rather than doing anything else. People say, oh shit and all that, I say, oh God. So that's that way. So that is, I think the name of God is quite dear to me. Another thing which is dear to me is the fragrance of mogra.
Pandora's box khul raha hai pura.
I love that fragrance, and now it is something put me into embracing position at one time when I was in AppTech, and there was this one girl who used to wear this gajra made of mogra, and I once I happened to tell her that you should wear it every day, even if you want you can take money from me. So that much I love the fragrance of mogra.
Oh Lord. Okay, Kamal, I hope Mehak is listening to all this.
Yeah.
3 things that we find near your bedside table.
One is mobile phone. Another is mosquito racket. Because even if somehow mosquitoes are found of me, even if one mosquito comes in the home, it's going to bite me everywhere. So it's better that I keep that racket. The third is I keep sometimes a notebook.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Because sometimes all of a sudden mid of the night I get some idea and I don't want to forget it, so I just write it down.
Absolutely, I have a habit of a similar habit. And in fact, a few days before I was talking to Miss Vijaya Suvarna, and she also said that she's habit of putting a notepad, whenever she thinks of something or something comes to her mind, she will note it down. It's so important that you don't let your ideas and creativity go waste. You tend to write down. Amazing, Kamal. 2 things you are passionate about.
Music. I love music like anything. And the second is about guiding and supporting people.
Awesome.
That is the part of my life.
Awesome. And one thing that you wish to do but have never been able to do so far, Kamal. कुछ ऐसा तो होगा कि कमल जसवानी नहीं कर पाया है.
So there was a time when in our office they said you need to eat fire, and I escaped it. I did not eat. So I do want to. Now I've already walked on broken glass. Okay, so that thing I have done, and then bending the iron rod with the neck, that I have done. Eating fire is something which I'm yet to do.
Yeah, yet to. Okay, now some serious conversation, Kamal. You are a man of many heads, Kamal. How do you manage all this? You have your parenting experts group. You have your profession as a finance expert. You handhold people for life insurance, also supporting them, suggesting them, coaching them. You also are running this group of Magic Mantra. You have a lot of spiritual courses going on. How do you manage so many things, Kamal?
I think the best thing which has happened to me is when we got into the area of supporting people in a professional way, like parenting group or magical group. So that's where I started earning a lot of blessings. And regarding the profession, ultimately it's the bread and butter. I have to work for that. But when it comes to other things, that is the energy of the people, which is making me do all those things. So I always tell that it's not me. It's like a sun basically gives light to the moon. So same way when the people bless you, you feel motivated to do more and more.
So how do you plan? How do you plan, Kamal? Is it every day you manage everything, or you plan your week, or you plan your month? How does it happen?
I do some planning. I would not say I'm completely going into the planned way, because I always see that every time I look at changing the things which I do, bringing a new variety to it, bringing a new direction to it. So that's the reason I've moved from one industry to another, one profile to another profile, and here also the similar thing is following on. The path is still on. I always believe that the moment you start walking, the path opens up for you. So I do not try to have a 5-year plan or 10-year plan, but I do have some short-term plans. That fine, this is in the next 2 months or next 1 month I'm going to do this, and then rest of it I leave it to the universe.
I remember my mother used to tell me that Riddhi, 5-year plans na wo sirf government mein chalte hain. You have small goals in life and try to achieve. Short-term goals works wonders. Have lot of achievements instead of 5-year plans. So I can so resonate with this what you said, Kamal. And Kamal, you have this parenting groups what you're running, and you have started this where I'm one of the expert as well. What made you start this parenting group?
The thing which we saw is when it comes to parenting, a lot of things have changed, but the way of parenting is still going the traditional way.
Absolutely.
When we were kids, we had only one TV, okay, and that too in the neighbor's house. Not everyone had a TV in their home, and then even on TV, 1 or 2 channels, and in a week 2 Shaya Geet, Chitrahar. So we had so much limited exposure to the outside world. The outside world exposure was to our neighborhood. Apart from that, there were maximum thing was pen friend.
Yes.
Okay, you don't even see the friend. You just write a letter to the friend, and I've even also done that also in school time. So just pen friend. So that was the exposure to outer world. So there was not much of external influence. And during those times, the movies which were made, they were either sad movies or they used to be the patriotic movies.
Yes.
Okay. Whereas now what has happened is now the things have changed. So for that, every parent needs to change his parenting style. And people would not approach the experts because of they don't want to pay for it. And that's how we thought of let's have a group where we can provide free guidance from the most professional expert, the best in the world, we can say. So that's how we got you on board as a child psychologist, who is I don't think anybody can be compared to you in that aspect.
Thank you so much, Kamal. Thank you.
Thank you. You deserve that. And in fact, then we got Shilpa Mittal, who is a merit ranker nutritionist. We got Rita Balachandran. So we have got all these Niyati, Honey, We have got all the people who are the best, and they are giving complimentary guidance to people. And since 2017, people said you are starting it for free, but maybe after 3 months you would start charging for every year. And there is nothing called as free lunch.
Absolutely.
And I remember I told them, if you say there is nothing called as free lunch, it means you have never been to a Gurudwara.
Absolutely.
There is free lunch, and there are lakhs or millions of people having free lunch on a daily basis.
Absolutely.
It's just, we need to decide, where we want to give as a contribution to the world and where we want to keep it as a profession. So parenting is always something where we wanted to contribute, and that's how we all came together, and we are helping out.
Absolutely. I still remember the day when you had approached and you said that, okay, I'm starting something like this, and I was never asked. I was told that you have to be here because I am sure that you will be the best person to contribute, and that's what I have. That's how I've become a part of this parenting groups. But friends, you there's one more thing wherein I get inspired from Kamal, is that he is very prompt in replying to his email and replying to his messages. So if you have approached with him with something, you are sure to get an answer. If he's really busy or is kind of conducting a session or something, he will ensure that before he sleeps, that's before the end of the day, you get a reply or either you get a call. That this is something which I had seen in my father, and this is something which I really appreciate. That's what I'm seeing in Kamal, and that inspires me. Kamal, how important it is to be visible and opposed to just be there online?
It is extremely important. The reason being, when you are visible in front of people, okay, because that is the time they think of you. Nowadays, everywhere, people forget about you.
Yes.
Even Google has to put a hoarding. Okay, everyone knows Google. So people say that so it's not that they are putting it so that people get to know what is Google. No, they are putting it just to remind I'm there.
Yes.
So the visibility is extremely important. Just being there on social media is not going to help at all.
Amazing. So it means, in short, it is out of sight, out of mind. Correct, Kamal?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because right now there are thousands of things which are coming in your sight. Earlier they were limited. So
Yes.
even if you are out of sight, maybe you are still remembered. But now, if you are out of sight, you are forgotten.
Absolutely. I can understand that. Kamal, if you could have done something really differently, what would you have done?
I would have put in more efforts on having a much better body. The
Still,
more stronger.
I think you could still do that.
Yeah, that's I started doing now. I mean, in fact, I remember going for a walk was just to accompany some friends. Okay, when friends are going, I'm going. If they are not going, I'm not going. But now is the time when I go for a walk alone. I don't care whether anyone is going or not. And I feel that, I wish I really had started these kind of habits, at a much earlier age.
I understand that. Kamal, jack of all trades or master of one, what do you believe in?
I have never believed in this saying. I always believe in one thing, that always be jack of all and master of some. It's not master of, yeah, I always believe that you can be master of some, because nowadays it is possible. It is possible. You can be, and it is important, it is needed. Because nowadays, if you see, even in jobs, you have to, basically put on multiple hats. A doctor has to be good at marketing also.
Absolutely.
So you cannot say that, oh, I'm into science, why should I learn marketing? You have to learn marketing also. And even a person if you are into a parenting, okay, just having knowledge of parenting would not be only important. You would also have to have knowledge of the psychology behind it, as well as the simple time management tricks. I mean,
absolutely.
You have been teaching people about time management now, right? Why it is important? It's important nowadays. Everywhere you have to be master of some. You cannot be master of none.
So that's a new kind of saying which I'm going to implement, or probably I'm going to write it while I'm going to introduce Kamal on social media, introduce this video to our people. It's important that you understand it's jack of all trades and master of some. Kamal Jeswani. Wow, Kamal, I like that. Kamal, any words of wisdom for people watching us?
Since I am from finance, I will always believe in one thing, that please become better money managers, and even if you become a better money manager, your kids would also become better money managers, because in schools and colleges they are taught how to basically become qualified enough to make money. What they are not taught is how to manage that money.
Correct.
So everyone should become a role model for their kids, for their neighbors, for their relatives, everyone, So if we are role models, because ultimately when it comes to money, people always go and ask their friends. So if you are that friend, and if you know how to manage money, you would be able to give the right guidance to them. That is one thing. And another important thing which I have seen is people, they come up with queries, okay, they come up with challenges, but when it comes to solution, they shy away from them. Everyone wants a magical quick fix.
Actually, magical wand, that's something which I understand. I mean, you're right there.
Yeah. In fact, today I told you about a query in the parenting group that, this is something if you can reply. Now, I had told that parent on Monday that, that please put this query on Wednesday for Riddhi, and Riddhi ji would reply you and guide you. Okay, and after that come to me, then I will take you to the next, because they wanted switch words. I said, I'll give you switch word, but first you get the professional guidance over here. I told them Wednesday, they put the query on Monday and conveniently forgot. And I still had in my mind that person's query was on Monday, and we need to guide her.
Absolutely.
So we as experts are concerned about their queries, and they just, so I think, everyone, whenever, if you have a problem, if you have a challenge, trust me, don't leave it.
Don't.
Okay.
True.
If somebody tells you to contact me after 4 days, contact him. Don't, think about whether the person would be busy, occupied. You better contact him, let him take a call or let her take a call. Whether
Absolutely.
they are busy, if they are busy, they would let you know that they are busy.
Absolutely.
So, basically live with your problems. Get out of those problems and start living in a happy world.
That's so beautiful. So I just remembered recently I met somebody, kind of say 9 to 10 months before, and वो lady ने इतना एक अच्छा sentence बोला that किसी को भी mind में रखने से पहले देखो वो rent दे रहा है कि नहीं आपको. Free space किसी को मत दो अपने mind में या घर में. And that is kind of something which is in me, on me throughout. I've learned a lesson, कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा कम रखिए, उसको solve कर दीजिए immediately. Otherwise, it's going to occupy space and it's not going to pay any rent to you. So it's unnecessary, unwanted guest you are having on within your head, and that's not right. So friends, after this talk, did you understand why I said that I get inspired when it comes to Kamal Jeswani? भले वो मेरा दोस्त है, but there's so much to learn from him, right? And Gupshup or Kuch Seek is all about highlighting that choti cheeze of all those big people who inspire me, right? Inspiration के लिए आपको books पढ़ने की बहुत ज़रूरत नहीं है, TV देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Life में से देखो that you have met so many people during that course of your life, and I'm sure there are many whom you also would have met and who must have inspired you as well. So look out for all those inspirations and mold your life as much as, or I would say in the similar way I have been doing it. Kamal, thank you so much for coming on my talk show. That's Gupshup or Kuch Seek. You inspire me, my dear friend, and I would love people to know about all those people who have been inspiring me and why they inspire. So छोटी चीजें हैं जो आज कमल ने बहुत अच्छा बोला, jack of all and master of some. That is something which it's my takeaway.
One of them is you.
Yes. Yes.
Because you have also been inspiring people by picking up so many things, like working on Lajja platform, Rinse Academy, and your mocktails and what not. I mean, people cannot even count all those things that you are doing, and so that is one thing I always tell people that is something very inspiring, that even I wonder how she manages to get into so many areas and still she is able to reach up to all those places. So that's really inspiring. And even this the series which you have, I'm sure by this series you must be inspiring thousands of people. So thank you so much for doing that.
I'm hoping so. Friends, ये म्यूचुअल एडमायरेशन हो रही है, वो दोस्ती बोली जाती है. I hope you understand that. So thank you so much, Kamal, for being on Gupshup or Seek, and we stay connected. Thank you.